The nth term of a sequence is 3n minus 2. Write down the first two terms of the sequence. So we've got that the nth term is 3n minus 2, sorry. I want the first term, I don't want the nth term, I've swapped the n for a 1, so I need to swap that here, so 3 times 1, and then take away 2. 3 times 1 is 3, take away 2 is 1, so the first term is that. And the same for if I wanted the second term, again I've swapped n for 2 this time. So this time it's 3 times 2, and then take away 2. 3 times 2 is 6, take away 2 is 4. So I could do that to figure out any term. So for example, if I wanted the 50th term, I would just swap n for 50. So it would be 3 times 50, and then take away 2. 3 times 50 is 150, take away 2 is 148. Which term of the sequence is equal to 70? So when does 3n minus 2 equal 70? And as soon as you draw that, you should be thinking, oh, that's a balance method. Draw your balance line. We're going to add 2 to both sides first. Remember, it's inverse operations. So that means 3n equals 72. And I just want to know what n is, so I need to divide by 3. 72 divided by 3, you can do a quick bus stop if you need to. 3's into 7 is 2 with 1 left. 3's into 12 is 4. So n is 24. So the last says, explain why 101 is not a term in the sequence. So I've just moved up so we've got some space. So my sequence was 3n minus 2. And we're saying that it's never equal to 101. Watch. If I did balance method on this, so add 2 to both sides, 3n is equal to 103, and then divided by 3. And then I did bus stop to do that. So how many 3's go into 103? 3's into 1 is 0, there's still that 1 left. 3's into 10 is 3, there's 1 left. 3's into 13 is 4, but there's 1 left. So we're going into decimals. It doesn't make a whole number. 103 is not divisible by 3. Let's just write that down. 103 is not divisible by 3. And if you've got that working in that sentence, you'll get the marks.